If y'all want to see how I made these pork egg rolls and veggie fried rice, stick around and keep on watching. This is Cecilia's way of cooking, and I'm about to share with y'all how I made this. And as you can see, the ingredients that are being displayed across the screen is everything that's going to go into making this scrumptious dinner. Y'all, this came out bomb. When I tell y'all this came out bomb. That's the rice. There's everything being displayed. Those were the soy sauce packets that I was talking about. So I decided to divide. Since I had 6 packs, I put 3 in the rice and 3 in the pork filling. I'm putting my sesame oil down. That's the pork that I did. There's my coleslaw for my pork, egg roll filling. I decided to add some oyster sauce, some ginger, and I added some extra onion and garlic powder in. Oh yeah, and I put the honey in to cut down on some of the sodium, just so that it don't be overkill, because soy sauce tends to carry a lot of sodium. That's my egg for my fried rice. I had canned vegetables since I didn't have any frozen on hand. Like I said, I use what I have on hand, and I ain't feel like cutting up any onion, so I just used the minced onion that I had. There go my ginger. And y'all, listen. I got leftovers, but this was bomb. And I forgot to mention too, that I made the yum yum sauce to go with this, but I made that last night so that it could sit and marinate. There's my rice. It's all done. It's all said and done. It's all she wrote. On to this. So, I'm not a professional at rolling up anything. Y'all are going to see, obviously, but nevertheless, it's not about the technique of rolling. It's about the fact that I want to get it rolled up and fried in some grease so I can, eat good. So, as y'all can see, and pardon my finger, I had cut myself a few times, but that comes with the error of learning how to cook and cut. If anybody knows, you know. But I'm going to show y'all twice. That's the first one. And here comes the second one. So now what I'm about to do is I'm about to pull out the roll wrap, dig out some filling, add it to the corner. Now you have some that are added to the middle. I just decided to add it to the corner. To be honest, I did it both ways. I just wanted to get all of them done. I don't even know how many I did, but I know I didn't use the whole pack of egg wraps. So probably with the leftover ones, I'll probably do like some buffalo cream cheese or crab ragoon, whatever I'm in the mood for. I may even make some wonton wrap chips. Who knows? Because when it comes to creativity, you can do anything, or at least I know I can do anything. The ideas are limitless. All right, that's it. There's those. Here they are, all done. Now, y'all, I didn't show the frying process because the battery almost died on me, but y'all are about to see the end product. When I tell y'all this was beautiful, it is so beautiful. There you go. Pork egg rolls and vegetable fried rice with yum yum sauce. Y'all, I had a blast making this. It was good. Would I do it again? Absolutely. Absolutely. I want to thank y'all for watching. In the meantime, talk to y'all later.